Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A14. Go in settings, scroll down, go in general management, again scroll down, go in Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down, tap on high contrast keyboard, enable it, and from here you can customize your keyboard contrast. I am simply turning it off. Go back, go in theme. From here you can customize your keyboard theme, like you can do solid, dark, solid light and simple light. Go back. From here tap on layout. From here you can customize the layout. Tap on font size. From here you can increase the font size like this and simply decrease it like this. This is how you can customize Samsung keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A14. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel.